Hey all, welcome back to the space. In this video, we are jumping into something really fun and good: how to bring ducks to your pond. If you ever wished for a calm, pretty pond with ducks moving over the water, then you are in right spot. Let's chat about how to make that wish come true. Now you may be asking how to get these nice animals to come to your pond in the first place. Don't fret, it's simpler than you believe. All it needs is a couple of easy steps to build the right space, and before you see it, you'll have ducks making themselves at home in your pond. Things to begin with, ducks are lovely food-driven. So on the off chance that you need to capture their consideration, begin with nourishment. Ducks cherish grains like corn, split wheat, and indeed seeds. You'll be able, moreover, offer them a few veggies like peas or lettuce. But a word of caution, do not overload them. As well, much nourishment can contaminate the water, and that's the final thing you need. Fair sprinkle a small nourishment close the shore, and believe me, the ducks will begin to come around. Another up, let's conversation around security. Ducks are normally bashful, and they're continuously on the lookout for places that feel secure. To create your lake more appealing to them, keep the encompassing zone calm and calm. Maintain a strategic distance from loud action, pets, or anything that might spook them. In the event that your lake is in an active range with parts of human or creature activity, ducks might feel as well defenseless to settle in. So, make a quiet desert spring where they can feel at ease. Another vital perspective is the environment around your lake. Ducks are drawn to common environments, so including a few oceanic plants and vegetation around the edges can make a tremendous distinction. Things like water lilies, cattails, and other seagoing plants give cover for the ducks and make a more welcoming air. Ducks like places where they can swim, cover up, and indeed construct their homes. So, in the event that you can mimic that common territory, you will be much more likely to draw in them. And of course, we can't disregard approximately the water itself. Ducks cherish clean, clear water. They'll bashful absent from lakes that are dinky or have stagnant water. Make beyond any doubt your lake is appropriately kept up, free from flotsam and jetsam like fallen clears out or twigs, which the water remains new. You might need to consider including a little wellspring or aerator to keep the water moving. Ducks are drawn to lakes with tenderly streaming water, and it too makes a difference keep things from getting stagnant. Persistence is key. Ducks won't fundamentally appear upright absent, but with these changes, it's as it were a matter of time. Sometime recently, they begin going by. Keep the nourishment coming. Keep up a quiet environment, and your lake will soon be the go-to spot for ducks within the region. So there you have it, a few simple, natural steps to attracting ducks to your pond. I hope you're feeling inspired to create your own little duck paradise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.